Today I will share the complete version of abdominal massage. Step 1. Soothe in circles. Step 2. Massage the red meridian in the middle of the abdomen with palm heels. Step 3. Point press these acupoints in sequence. Note the specific location of each acupoint. Step 4. Push the abdomen horizontally with both thumbs. Step 5. Push and scrape the abdomen with finger knuckles. Step 6. Use finger pads to press and knead around the navel. Step 7. Use finger knuckles to press and knead around the navel. Step 8. Alternately use palms to push and knead around the navel. Step 9. Overlap both hands to perform a rhombus push. Step 10. Push and pull the abdomen horizontally with both hands. Step 11. Horizontally pinch and hold the abdomen with the web between the thumb and index finger. Step 12. Perform back and forth elbow pushing for relaxation. Note that for all the above techniques, clockwise can relieve constipation, counterclockwise can relieve diarrhea.